I was looking for a reliable screen protector I could easily install myself, and this kit completely solved that problem. I've always struggled with alignment, so I specifically wanted something with a guide. This is my first time using a protector pre-aligned inside an auto-alignment plastic tray, and it makes a massive difference. Plus, getting a pack of 4 is perfect. The step-by-step instructions are incredibly clear. The absolute key to a flawless installation is a perfectly clean screen. The kit includes everything: a wet wipe, a dry cloth, and a dust removal sticker to catch every last lint particle. My biggest tip is to work fast right after using the sticker. If you wait, airborne dust will land and cause bubbles. As soon as it's clean, peel the film, check the top indicator, and place the frame right over the phone. This design completely fixes the issue of the glass going on crooked. In the past, I always ended up with uneven gaps, but this tool guides it perfectly straight every single time. Another great detail is that the glass sits slightly higher at the top, keeping dust out of the speaker. It looks pristine and professional. If you do get a tiny air bubble, the included squeegee is padded with soft fabric so you can push it out without scratching the glass. This kit completely took the stress out of the process.